Hey, this is Rick here, the founder of SellerMetrics. So I'm going to talk about ranking on Amazon in 2022. Late last year, Amazon dropped a bomb on us in terms of how we could rank as Amazon sellers. So basically, Amazon had officially killed rebates. Before rebates, couponing, marketing incentives, stuff like that is still under very much gray hat tactics. In terms of whether they are against the seller code of conduct, it was up for debate. Right, like services such as rank bell, rebate keys, rebate stuff, something like that. Basically, would allow the buyer to buy something and would be reimbursed via like a coupon. It's being done, but now after this bomb that just dropped, Amazon have officially say that these type of ranking using search, find, buy, two-step URLs, super URLs, different funnels to basically get the user to mimic the organic purchase behavior of an Amazon buyer is all in violation of the seller code of conduct, and this is spelled black and white ink. So what would Amazon seller now do to rank their product in a 100% white hat way? So I know some people would hate this suggestion, but basically Amazon PPC is really the only way to go in terms of a clear white hat way in terms of ranking your product for a specific keyword. And the great thing about Amazon PPC is that instead of using a coupon for giveaway, a super URL, so some people use like a coupon to basically rank their products without using a super URL. So that is not against the seller code of conduct or terms of service, right? But you are not really targeting for a specific keyword. You're not granular enough in terms of for targeting a specific URL. That is why super URLs are so helpful, because you are targeting it for a specific keyword, right? But also the negative side of that is that even though you're giving that URL to like a particular couponer, right? This does not mean that a real customer is actually would buy your keyword at 100% of the price. So it won't really attribute to true sales. So you don't really understand your price level for a certain keyword, right? Somebody purchasing, for a particular keyword at a 90% promo is very different than somebody that is like purchasing your product, searching for a particular keyword and purchasing for the full purchase price. So this is a reason why Amazon PPC ranking a lot of times could be better than like a 90% promo. So how can you actually rank using Amazon PPC? There are really two ways. The first way is your campaign bidding strategy. So I'll link a blog below that will detail the different campaign bidding strategies. So basically what the campaign bidding strategy is that you will go to your campaign, and this is mainly for sponsored campaigns, sponsored product campaigns. And you're going to go to campaign settings. And under the campaign bidding strategy, you're going to pick dynamic up and down. So this is like Amazon, this allows Amazon the leeway to really, on their own, upbid particular keyword that they deem that has a higher probability of converting for a sale. So they could upbid it up to like 100%, right? That's one way. And also there's also the adjusted bid by placement. Basically, if Amazon deem, okay, this keyword is worthy and it's going to get close to like a top list search placement, you could like have Amazon increase the bid by a certain percentage to make sure that you get to the top, right? All this is done by Amazon, so it's very little control in terms of the specific keyword that you want to go for. Two, the second way is like more of a manual approach. You monitor an X amount of keyword. You constantly like search for your keyword, whether it is like in the top 3 placements on Amazon. So in the past, that's basically what I did. And you see like my campaign called watch list, right? For a particular product, I would make sure that all these keywords here, right? I'm going to check every single one of these keywords and then making sure that it is on the top of the search. Right. So right now my product is not. So in this case, I would just like manually bid it up until I get to like the top of the search. Right. Unfortunately, this is very much a manual process, and yeah, basically took my team like a good part of the day to like make sure that we are like number 1 in all of these. So the question is there a better way? Right? Number one, what we're trying to do is number one, what is the lowest bid that we could bid for to get to this spot? And number two, how can we like constantly monitoring that sponsored keyword placement, like the placement for this particular search term, right, on an ongoing basis, in a very much an automated way, not in a manual way, because once you get to like say like 10 keywords or 20 keywords to monitor daily, that is time taken away from managing your other side of your business. Yeah. So as you can see, the two illustrated the two key issues with trying to rank for Amazon PPC, right? So I like to introduce SellerMetrics, a new feature called Sponsor Ranker. So what this would do is that it would make sure that your the results of your sponsored product keyword is going to be on the top of the search results, and it's going to find the lowest bid for you to bid for your targeted placement, your keyword placement. So the idea is that if you want to get to number one, would that be say $2.50 or is it $2.75, right? So Sponsor Ranker will try our best to basically do different types of bid testing to find the most optimal bid for you to appear on your desired target result. So we did a case study. Let's go to the Sponsor Ranker function. So that is on our nav bar right here, Sponsor Ranker. So you can see that for this particular keyword, universal baby monitor mount, on March 30th, the sponsor rank was 6, organic rank was 18, and then just 12 days, actually 13 days during the SP Ranker, Sponsor Ranker campaign, we started ranking. We started ranking in terms of sponsored product rank number 1, and then our organic rank follows suit to number 3. So that shows our capability as Sponsor Ranker, and you can see like the chart right here. This particular keyword, universal baby monitor mount, it was at 28, and now we are at number 3. But we have experienced stockouts after April 11th, so it kind of went down, a few placements there. So how do you actually use Sponsor Ranker on SellerMetrics? You're gonna click on. So let's just say we know our keywords that we want to aim for. The keyword we want to aim for would be the Hello Baby mount, and this is our product right here. But I want to make sure that my sponsored rank results is number 1. So how I do this is that we're gonna click on Add Sponsor Ranker Campaign, select the account that we want to go for, and then add our campaign where the keyword is located, and pick the keyword, and actually wait a minute, I already added that keyword already. Let's just pick another. This one seems good. For baby monitor, yeah. And we're gonna go for 1, and our bid limit is basically what is the bid amount that we were willing to tolerate to get to our target rank. So I'm gonna put like 3.5, a bit high actually, but I really want to like go for this keyword. And just keep in mind, the keyword that you can go for is only you can only go for exact match type only. Done. So what this would do is that SellerMetrics will basically keep scraping the Amazon search results on this particular keywords, right? Keep scraping until that we rank number 1 on the search results. And then when we rank number 1 in the search results, we will stop updating that for that particular keyword right here. Right? So basically it would scrape and find where is your sponsored search results, and then keep updating until we get to number 1. But for this particular keyword, it seems that we're already number 1. So this is what Sponsor Ranker does. So I'm really excited for this feature. It really allows the Amazon sellers to really rank organically for their keywords via Amazon PPC in a very, very precise and targeted way, without having to increase their budget and basically upbid their entire group of keywords under a campaign. Additionally, SellerMetrics, we are very seller-friendly Amazon PPC software. We offer bid ops, both manual and automatic, negative term harvesting automation, and also the negative keyword feature that allows you to basically snipe out the keywords that are not producing sales for you, but you're spending money on. We also have Dayparting, and we also support unlimited marketplace per subscription. There's a 14-day trial, no credit card required. Subscription starts at $60. Please reach out to me at admin@sellermetrics.app to learn more. And on top of that, on top of being a self-serve Amazon PPC software, we are also very much a tech-enabled Amazon PPC agency. So reach out to me for an audit if you're looking for full-service Amazon PPC management. So I'm very happy for you to try out this new sponsor ranker function from SellerMetrics. You can see ranking. You could see quick results in terms of your Amazon PPC ranking by using the feature. So feel free to reach out and use the 14-day trial to try out this new function. Again, I'm Rick Wong. Until the next video, please subscribe. And till then, thank you. Bye.